Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. Myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss all about our new batch for certification course in computer system validation. So computer system validation is nothing but it is a basically the work where you have to check the softwares, their updates. Okay, so related to the it's a technical part where it will play an important role in the quality assurance in the clinical research as well. And for that reason we are providing here a dedicated training program in computer system validation. You can take the benefits of this. So let us discuss all in this video, that how you can enroll for this course, what are the fees, and how you can participate, and the benefits behind this. So let us discuss. First of all, when this batch will start. So batch will start from the 4th of the October 2025. Batch will be weekend batch, Saturday and Sunday, and it is online. And what about the syllabus? So syllabus is as below: basics of validation, GAMP file, then risk assessment, then 21 CFR part 11, then maintenance phase, EU Annexure 11. So what is the fees and how to enroll? So the fees for this course is, if you are Indian student, domestic, then 7,999 is the fee, and if you are for international, but for the international student the fees is 10,000. Okay, so how you can enroll? It is very simple. In description I provide you the link. Okay, just click on the link and you can directly enroll. Payment even you can pay online to this number 9423272876. After payment you can share your name, email, qualification, location to this number on WhatsApp. We will added you in the class group. And what are the benefits of this course? So first benefit, you will get the certification. Second benefit, you will get all detailed information about computer system validation from the expert having a good knowledge and working in the top MNC. Then you will get a placement assistance as well from our end. So we'll talk about some of the basic questions. What is computer system validation? So it is validating the software that are using in the life science industry and as GXP system, and we need to ensure they are in compliant stage. We have to prepare the validation deliverable. What is the scope of computer system validation? Lab science industry, that is pharma, then medical devices, biotech industries are automating and igniting their business process. There is a huge demand for validation engineers. Then what are the top companies providing job opportunity in the computer system validation? So all the pharma companies like DRL, Novartis, Amgen, Sanofi, Takeda, Pfizer, BMS, then IT MNCs like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, CTS, they providing opportunity. Then how this course will helpful for getting opportunity in computer system validation? So this course will provide the understanding of the computer system validation, interpretation of the regulation, and hands-on experience on the validation deliverables. Should be able to crack the interviews and understand the CSV landscape is the major vision for this course. Next is, what is the package for CSV as a fresher? So it should be depend on the company to company, but again 2.5 LPA to 5 LPA should be the package. What are the job roles and designations for CSV as a fresher? So it should be CSV analyst, validation engineer. Okay. Then technical skills required for CSV job. Yes, hands-on experience on tool like ALM, GIRA, then ServiceNow is added advantage, and SQL, AWS also add more advantage. So what is the minimum degree or qualification required for CSV? Any kind of the degree is here eligible. So these are the all course details. I hope you understand everything, but still you have any query, just fill the Google form given in the description or call to this number, or you can visit our website www.globalpharmaacademy.com. So thank you for watching this video. Everyone, like in the pharma, even biotech student, engineering student, they can able to do this course. Okay, so batch will start soon. You can take the benefits of this, and hopefully you will and still any query you can connect with us. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best.